Hi children, how are you? In the last class, we completed some of the questions in your textbook. It is the lesson, 11th lesson, the Valley of Flowers. Now in this class, let's move on to remaining textual questions. Okay children, so what is the lesson? The Valley of Flowers. Okay, so in the last class, we discussed about some of the questions. Okay, now in this class, remaining questions in page number 91. Okay, here the first question is find out and write the names of some more flowers that are used for making colors. Okay, so the answer is rose, saffron, and hibiscus. Saffron means kumkuma puvu. Okay, so not only these, some other colors also. So chrysanthemum, sunflower, clitoria. So all these flowers are used to make colors. Okay, now second one, can you think of a color of which there is no flower? So I think for colors grey and silver there are no flowers. Yes, it is right. Okay, we couldn't observe grey and silver color flowers. Okay, now third one, write the names of such flowers which are used to make scents. Okay, next the answer is lavender, jasmine, rose, etc. Okay. Next page number 92. Do you know when such songs are sung? Okay, yes, such songs are sung on the occasions of marriage. Okay, so definitely, if any, not only marriage, any occasions, birthday parties, uh, wedding parties, whatever it is. Okay, marriages. So definitely, they arrange some musical parties. That means songs. Okay, so in that we also sing songs about flowers also. Okay, now next one. Do you or anybody else at home know other such songs? Collect songs, poems, etc. on flowers. Okay, so for these questions, you have to ask your grandmother. They only know for the songs about flowers. Okay, so here the question answer is yes. My grandmother knows many such songs. Okay, once you ask your grandmother and copy some songs or poems on flowers. Okay, now third one. Are any special flowers used on certain occasions by your elders? Make a list of different occasions and the flowers used at each. Yes, we use different flowers in different occasions. Here the answer is so. This is the heading for you occasions of festivals. So, what kind of flowers we have to use? Okay, for example, marriage. We use bouquets, Valentine days. Okay, so when it is February 14th, okay, we use red roses. Okay, religious ceremony, marigold. రిలీజియస్ సెరమనీ మీన్స్ పండుగలు ఇలాంటి వాటికి మన ఇంటికి బంతిపూలు మాలలతో అలంకరిస్తారు కదా, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ గార్లాండ్స్. ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ బర్త్డే. ఓకే, సో రోజ్ అండ్ తులిప్స్. తులిప్స్ డెకరేటివ్ ఫ్లవర్స్. ఓకేమా, నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 93. Have you ever seen anyone selling flowers anywhere? If there are any flower sellers nearby, ask them these questions and write. No need to ask anyone. Uh, why? Because uh, situations are not good. That's why I will give you answers. Just simply copy in your textbook. Okay, mom? Okay. The first question is, what are the different flowers that they are sell? Ask them the names of 3 flowers. Definitely they are selling rose, jasmine, dahlia, marigold, lotus. or different flowers are sold. Especially lotus flowers are sold in Shravan Masa, Kaluva Puvulu. Is it right? Yes. So remaining flowers we have to they have to sell in any season. Okay, roses. Okay, marigold, dahlia. That means sampeng. Sorry, chrysanthemum, chamanti pulu. Okay. Next, where do they bring these flowers from? They bring these flowers from horticulture farms and gardens. Horticulture farms means nurseries. Okay. Hmm. Next, third one. Why do people buy flowers? People buy flowers for various purposes like decoration, worship, and to give them to others. Decorations, marriages, Pachipula Mandapam. Yes. Are you listen? Yes. Here the mandapams are decorated with flowers. For example, birthday parties. They are using flowers to decorate. Okay. Worship means puja cheyadaniki. Okay. And also give them to others. To wish them others. We are using flowers. Okay, children. Uh, Next. In what forms do flower sellers sell their flowers? Look at these pictures. Tick against those forms that you have seen. Okay. See here. Garlands. Flowers. Okay. So these are the images. Okay. Definitely we are bouquets, roses, flower pots for decoration. Okay, so here garlands for to worship the god, పూజ చేసుకోవడానికి వీటన్నిటికీ కూడా మనం ఫ్లవర్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఎనీ అదర్ ఫామ్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్? ఎస్, sellers sell flowers in the form of gazra. Gazra means mala, garland, poola danda. Okay. Next, sixth one. Have you seen flowers offered at many religious places? The answer is yes. We have seen different types and colors of flowers offered at many religious places. Religious places. Okay, children. Next, seventh one. What do we do when they dry up? Okay, what we have to do? Simply, we dispose the dry flowers as waste. Independent flowers name just now, we dispose. Okay, next, eighth one. How will you use them? We will use them to make dry colors for holy festivals. Okay, so for example, marigold, hibiscus, rose, ఇవన్నీ ఎండిపోయిన తర్వాత పాడేయడం కన్నా వాటిని డ్రై అయిపోయిన వాటిని పౌడర్ చేసి కలర్స్, డ్రై కలర్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హోలీ ఫెస్టివల్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ కలర్స్ నా, సో ఫర్ హోలీ ఫెస్టివల్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దీస్ కలర్స్. Okay, by using natural colors we have to reduce the skin allergies. Okay, children, it is the one of the way. Next one, some flowers are used in different forms, like rose and marigold are used in garlands and as loose petals too. Okay, so here the first question is, find out the prices of these different forms. Okay, one flower, for example, one hybrid rose flower, how much cost? I think it is 10 rupees. One garland, definitely 50 rupees. One bouquet, maybe 200, 150, 100, 300, maybe like that. Just I will give you just simple cost. Okay, children. Next, second one, has the flower seller learned to make bouquets or enough flowers from anybody, from whom? Yes, The flower seller learned to make bouquets or a net of flowers from his father or his elders also, brother, sister, whatever it is. Okay, definitely they learn from their family members. Okay, now third one, would they like the other members of their family to do this work? Why? Okay, here the answer is yes, they would like the other members of their family to do this work to make some extra earning. Okay, so every member in their family they make something, they do something, making garlands, doing something to earn extra money. Okay, children. So this is the importance of flowers. Okay, so in this lesson we discuss about the importance of flowers. Flowers are used to make medicines, dyes, and we are using as a eatable part. For example, banana flowers, cauliflower, we are using curries or chutneys, pickles, whatever it is. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. Okay, after watching this class, you have to copy these questions in your CW and practice without saying. Okay, children, thank you.